Hello students, what did you eat in the breakfast? Whatever you have eaten, it has now become part of your body. What is this called? Assimilation. It is a step in our mode of nutrition. What are the steps before assimilation? Yes, ingestion, digestion and absorption. Where does absorption take place in our body? Yes, in the small intestine. Small intestine has numerous finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. On the surfaces of the villi, there are numerous blood vessels which help in absorption of food. And then it reaches to the cells, what we say assimilation. It becomes part of the cell. What is the next step after assimilation? Digestion, giving out of the undigested, unabsorbed food material from the body. So, last class we learned about human digestive system and how it works. Today we are going to learn some interesting facts. Have you ever observed cows, buffaloes and other grass-eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating? Actually, they quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of the stomach called rumen. Here the food gets partially digested and is called card. So partially digested food is called card. Later, the card returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chews it. This process is called rumination. So, chewing of card is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose. What is cellulose? A type of carbohydrate. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose. Ruminants have a large sac-like structure called rumen between the esophagus and the small intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. So here you see they take the food and through the esophagus or food pipe it goes to the rumen, this part. So it goes to the rumen and here the food is partially digested and time to time small lumps of this which come back again to their mouth where they chew it properly and after they swallow it, it goes to the next part of the stomach, that is, and then to the small intestine where food is completely digested. So we have learnt about digestion in grass-eating animals. So have you heard about tooth decay? Yes, it is very common. Millions of people suffer from this tooth decay or dental caries. What is this? Before that, let me tell you the parts of our tooth. Tooth has two parts. One is called crown, the white part what we can see, that is called the crown, and the part which is fixing it with the jaws, that is called the root. The crown is covered with enamel, which is the hardest part of our body. Due to action of some microorganism, this enamel may get damaged, and below that another soft part is there, that is called dentin, and dentin, when that also get damaged, the below that the pulp where the nerve vessels and the blood vessels are there, so at that time we feel the pain, and the one who has suffered from this knows how painful it is. Normally, bacteria are present in our mouth, but they are not harmful to us. However, if we do not clean our teeth and mouth after eating, many harmful bacteria also begin to live and grow in it. These bacteria break down the sugars present from the leftover food and release acids. This is called tooth, and this acid gradually damage the teeth. This is called tooth decay. If it is not treated in time, it causes severe toothache and in extreme cases results in tooth loss. Chocolates, sweets, soft drinks and other sugar products are major culprits of tooth decay. But it can be prevented very easily if we brush our teeth regularly and clean it. So at least twice a day and rinse the mouth after every meal, we can prevent this. Also, we should not put our dirty fingers or any unwashed objects in the mouth. Sometimes You may have experienced the need to pass watery stool frequently. This condition is known as diarrhea. It may be caused by an infection, food poisoning, or indigestion. It is very common in India, particularly among children. Under severe conditions, it can be fatal. This is because of the excessive loss of water and salts from the body. Diarrhea should not be neglected. Even before a doctor is consulted, the patient should be given plenty of boiled and cooled water with a pinch of salt and sugar dissolved in it. This is called oral rehydration solution or ORS. So today we have learnt some interesting facts. Thank you, children.